Many classic owners will recall the days when changing a headlamp bulb took a few minutes. Sadly, today it's often a job for the local garage. That said, we recently discovered that a 2009 Volvo C30 was manufactured with practicality in mind. The speed with which an owner can change a headlamp bulb without resorting to calling in at the garage begs the question, why don't all manufacturers do the same? In our opinion, the C30 remains a smart looker, offering good reliability and economy.
Just
Right, you go ahead.
Swedish simplicity, you know. Everything was thought about as it was being made. Just that there. Oh, we catch it.
Go.
Easy as that.
Right, slide her back in.
Volvo ended production of the C30 in 2013, wrapping up a single-generation run that began in 2006.